Boo! Yeah, got you. I know. You know, so that was like a scary movie, you know what I'm saying? In an instant, I just creep up on you. Wow. Anyways, it's your boy TC the Barber back with another haircut tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be doing a mid-taper on curly top. Now, he don't want the top to be touched, so I'm gonna just fluff up the curls and spread out the top like legs on a Christmas tree. Anyways, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. And while y'all doing that, I'ma wait. We got all night. So, I'm not gonna hold y'all. Let's get right into it. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, YouTube, jumping in here, we're gonna be setting our ball down. And we're gonna set it in nice and neat. Then we can jump into our next step. Alright, now our next step, we're going to open the lever all the way up and set in our first guideline going up about an inch. Right, now we're going to close that lever and start knocking that ball line out. Now we're going to open that lever up halfway and keep working.
Acoustic Kush on the beat.
Alright, now with the one guard, lever all the way open, we're going to set in our second guideline going up about an inch. Alright, now coming back with the half guard, we're going to close the lever all the way up and start attacking the first guideline. Now as we continue to work that line out, we're going to open the lever up halfway and keep working. Alright, now I'm coming in with the 1.5 guard, lever closed, and I'm going to clean up the back.
Acoustic Kush on the beat.
Now I'm coming back with the one guard, lever open halfway, and I'm going to go start working that second guideline out.
Acoustic Kush on the beat.
Now I'm going to close the lever all the way. Now this should knock that line completely out. So right here I want to smooth some of the hair down, so I'm going to close the lever halfway with the one guard, and I'm going to go with the gray. Alright, now that I'm finished with the back, I'm going to go ahead and line them up.
Acoustic cushion.
Alright, now starting off the side taper with the lever adjusted halfway with the one guard attached, we're gonna go with the grain to knock some of the hair down. Alright, so the same thing we did in the back, we're gonna be setting our ball line for the taper. Alright, in this next step, we're going to open our lever all the way, and we're going to set in our first guideline going up about 1/4 inch.
Acoustic cush on the beat.
And closing that lever, we're going to start working out the ball line. Now open the lever halfway, continue to work out that line. So in this next step, I'm coming in with the one guard closed, and I'm going to start knocking out this first guideline. Alright, now I'm opening the lever all the way, and I'm going to continue to eat at that line till I'm finished. Alright, so now we're going down guards. Now with the half guard, with the lever open up to half, and we're going to keep working that line. Keep working. You know what I'm saying? Keep it consistent. You're going to get that line up out of there. You heard me? Now I'm closing that lever all the way. Now this ought to do it right here. This should be the final finish right here. This should knock that bottom line up out there. Now coming in with the 1.5 guard is the highest guard I'm going to use. Now I'm going to use it to blend in the top area. Working this area, I'm going to in between open and close. See, I like to go back to touch up areas if I see something. So right now, got the half guard on, the lever open halfway, and just coming back to work this area.
Acoustic
Detail,
cush
baby.
on the beat.
All right, now jumping over to his left, enough said. What you do to one side, you do to the other. All right, so right here with the one guard, I think I got the lever adjusted halfway. And right now we just knocking down some of the wild hairs before we line them up. Alright, now this step right here, coming back with some alcohol to get any excess oil off the front hairline before I line them up. And coming in, starting right in the middle, I use that as a guide, and I trace that line from left to right to left. You hear me? Let's get them together.
Acoustic cush on the beat. Acoustic Kush on the beat.
Alright, next up we're gonna be hitting him with some enhancement spray just to make this hairline pop.
Acoustic Kush on the beat.
Alright, next up coming in with the white pencil. I think I killed this hairline. So now it's time to chalk them out, baby. So this right here add another touch to the haircut to make my man's look good.
Acoustic Kush on the beat.
I don't know about y'all, but I wanted this cut to be perfect, so I came back with the clippers, with the trimmers, just to tap that line one more good time before I let my man go. I said, hey yo, YouTube, let me know what you guys think of the cut in the comments below, and also let me know if this tutorial was helpful for you. And also I want to shout out my boy Acoustic Kush for the beat. Had he not put this beat together, I don't think I'd put this video together as smooth as I put it together, man. Thank you for that. Also, you can follow me on IG at TC the Barber. I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. Rock with me. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.